First of all, we are in a bull market for sure, right? That is no doubt. I know there are certain people calling for, local top, whatever. I don't believe them. Basically, in a bull market, there can be corrections as we are seeing right now, right? Like you can see Ethereum and the other alts can go down, and also most of the times, Bitcoin also can go up and can go down a little bit, which most of the times is driven by the fact that the ETF might have a negative outflow and people sort of get panicked. I feel that's totally unnecessary. So it's just normal market correction. My belief on the market is that we are in a bull market, and the current, turbulences are just corrections.